Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. I got a little special unboxing here today. I was watching the old Funky Brims live stream the other day, and I came across a cap on there that I really liked. And I really don't have any kind of themed hats from Chris and his wife Sarah. This one here is from Funky Brims. And Funky Brims, they do a live stream, and I really enjoy those. And they always release their debuts every week. They run some kind of special on there. And it was a pleasure having him as a guest on our roundtable last night. And great man, great guy. And I look forward to the grand opening because I'll be there, and it's gonna be fun. But yeah, great person all around. Great company, small business, something I support. It's only like an hour and 20 minutes, hour and 30 minutes from here in Wichita. And I've been there a couple times, but I'll be going back again in March and for that grand opening ceremony and for some of the festivities. So let's get right to it and see what's in this box here. Like I said, every week they do run a live stream on their page on all their social media networks. And like I said, him and his wife do an amazing job with that. And you know, they always get somebody to lure into purchases, aka me. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this here. And got receipts. Always well packaged. They do a great job. Their team there. Invoice. I got a size 59. Another thing is that I ordered a 60. Chris reached out to me and said, hey, I ain't got no more 60s. I got a 59 or 60, whatever higher over the. I said, I really am a 59. But, you know, with these caps, I mean, they always fit great. This is a hologram Paris cap. It is got the quilted liner there, so it's a little bit more for the cooler months. This is more of like, well, here in Wichita, it's probably maybe a 5 or 6 months out of the year. Once it starts getting a little crazy on the heat. But yeah, I really enjoyed this cap. It was one of the ones they were running a special on. I believe it was like $35 after the discount code they had. But it was something different. I don't have anything like this. It's got like the houndstooth on the top. It's got corduroy on the side. And then, of course, you got the patchwork, well, sort of kind of patchwork along the strips here. But that was something that drew me in is the corduroys. I remember back in the 80s, those skin-tight corduroy jeans, and when you walked, you know, you could hear the corduroys rolling together when you were a little bit more of the husky thigh type person like I was. But yeah, and you cause a lot of friction there. And so always time you always get that friction between the corduroy. Let's see if I can make it here. No, you really can't. But all right, so we're going to go and show a close-up of this cap. And but it would help if I tell you what cap it is. This is the cap of the week. This is the Patch Hound Marwood flat cap by Hologram Paris. It was their cap of the week. Yep. And like I said, they do an amazing job on that live stream. If you ever get a chance, please watch that. I mean, you'll end up buying caps, but as long as your wife doesn't mind or your significant other, it's pretty cool. All right, so let's go ahead and show a close-up of this, and we'll try it on. So here's a close-up. Again, you can see those colors really coming out here. And like kind of like the patchwork where you see that corduroy. That corduroy is pretty bad. I like that. The guard's got like the houndstooth type pattern on it. And you got the inside. It's got the corduroy brim. And this is a 59. It'll say pure wool, 100% pure wool, made in Italy. Must be fragile. Fragile, must be Italian. All right, made in Italy. And yeah, that's all the good stuff there. All the little things the way they're made. But yeah, there's a little tag for Hologram Paris. Made in Italy. And whatever those mean in Italian, I guess. Other than the Hologram Paris, I can read. All right, let's go ahead and show you a close-up again. And or let's go ahead and try it on and see how good this thing looks on me. So it's that time for the Patch Hound cap of the week from Funky Brims. hologram Paris cap. Let's go ahead and take off this bad boy here. Head scratches a little bit. I got to cut my hair. Oh my gosh. Yep. Or the hair I do have. And here we go. Yeah, it's perfect fit. 59 is actually, like I said, my size. And wow. This actually feels really... You know, the thing is, it's a quilted cap, but it's pretty lightweight as well. So this could be a 7 or 8 month. I just don't know if I dress fancy like this or not all the time. But yeah, I'm more of a a WT kind of guy. If some of you guys catch that grift, as from my area. But yeah, that is it. There, it's a great looking cap. I like it. I like it. I really like the corduroy on the side. Yeah, man, that thing looks nice. Looks really nice. How about that? Great job for the cap of the week. And like I said, 35 bucks. Can't beat that with a bat. Yeah, that is a good one. Look at this. Here's the back again. I guess I'll probably take off the tag. Oh yeah, I got my cutter now. I can use my cutter to take the tag off instead of using hands and getting rope burn. And look at this. Look at this. I'm going to show how sharp this GI tech thing is anyway. There we go. All right. Now watch how this thing just falls right down. At least it's supposed to. Yeah, see that? It's like it's modern day technology. But again, this is the Patch Hound, the Marwood. I like the cap a lot. Chris, thank you again. And Chris and your wife, thank you. Look forward to the next live stream with you guys and see if you guys can take some more of my money. All right, Reviews of Moose here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned to our next Gentleman's Roundtable on February 24th, where we will have Ryan from Peaky Hat joining us. That's going to be a nice little show there as well. And I want to say thank you for all those people that tune in as well. If you would have told me 3 months ago, I think we started 2 months ago, on these live streams that we'd be able to get all the major players in the cap making, I wouldn't have believed you. You know, and I don't see Boston Scally ever joining us, but we have sent the invite out to them. They never responded. I understand they might be busy, but you know, these people here that we have got on, they're great customer service, and I recommend definitely checking any of them out if you haven't. And that goes for Swisher Apparel. It goes for Rad Caps. It goes for Funky Brims now. It goes for, who did I say? Swisher and Peaky Hat. Yeah, those are, they're small businesses. We had Zia Hat Makers. I've done a review on those. Hopefully those guys will come join us for a live stream once. And we have the Ammo and Quilts. I'm going to be reaching out to them to join us they're starting to pick up popularity. And yeah, so and then the Werewolf Headstone Apparel. Hopefully they'll join us one day on the show, but I definitely want to promote those small businesses that are up and coming. I'd rather see them get some piece of the pie rather than the main person. I'd like to see everybody succeed. I'm a huge supporter of small business. And but yeah, again, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.